Does time heal all wounds? I wonder. Something's been weighing heavy on my heart lately. Maybe you can relate to it. Maybe you have the same problem. When your child becomes an adult and in every sense of the word they drift away, it can be heartbreaking. Thoughts or words you never dreamed of not only are brought to life, but weaponized against you. Why? How did this happen? I used to think if you did your best, that's all anyone could expect. But an adult child can be far less forgiving. It seems like my best is no longer enough. We start on this journey with a tiny bundle of joy, navigating through those sleepless nights and the chaos of the terrible twos. As they grow, we become their entire world, superheroes in their eyes. We teach them responsibility, care for them, and guide them through the roller coaster of their teenage years. I have letters, cards, things from school that show how much we were loved and appreciated. Not for what we did, but just for being who we are. As teenagers, you do your best to guide them to do good things, make good choices, encourage them, make them feel loved, important, able to do anything. You think you're doing the right thing, but now I wonder. During their later teens and young adult lives, your children interact with people who have different values and moral compasses. And one day suddenly you find yourself unable to relate to them. You share the same feelings of love and caring, but your words and actions are taken as threats, judgments, proof that you expect too much of them. Where does this come from? Is it what they hear? What they read? Is it social media? Is it drip-fed to them by some algorithm on their social feeds? Why does it have to be so complicated? So uncaring, so unfair. With no control, we care for them from a distance, supporting them as best we can. As they grow up, you encourage them and support their decisions. Love, finances. You're genuinely happy when they seek your guidance on marriage, and you happily give your blessing. For a while, everything seems perfect. But gradually, I have lost my way. I have lost my child. What I did before, which was so gratefully received as loving, caring, is now rejected as interfering. Their values have changed. I so frequently seem to be misunderstood, and I don't know how to fix it. Decisions, even those made with the purest intentions, become sources of resentment. The help you provide is met with ingratitude. Offering money to help later becomes a burden, and somehow it becomes our fault for causing them to owe us. That was never our intention. There comes a moment when you feel like you've got no choice but to move away, to leave them be because it seems like that's what they want. Will we be further alienated because we've moved away? If you move away, if you leave them alone, if you appear to not care, have we abandoned them? Or will they see you're trying to give them the space they ask for, demand, want? But do they know what they want? Now, I don't know what I want. Time heals all wounds is the saying. But is that another myth from bygone days? Will time heal this wound? And if it does, how big will the scar be? I find myself asking, is it possible to bridge the gap once it's widened? Can time truly mend the wounds we're feeling? It's a tough road, and the uncertainty is overwhelming. I don't have the answers. Maybe you do. Help me, help others by sharing your thoughts in the comments. If you think this video may help a friend, please share it with them and subscribe if you'd like to hear more of these videos, or my relaxation series, Gazing At. Let's start a conversation, support each other, and find solace in shared experiences. Because you know it's okay not to have all the answers, but it's not okay to feel like you're alone in this. Thank you for taking the time to listen, and let's explore this journey together.